Hi. So, ito. Video-video muna kami. Jean Paul. Hungry.
Thank you.
We're having a drink first while waiting for our food, and Jean Paul is having what do you call it, baby? Capresco. Capresco is composed of what? What's in there? Watermelon,
calamansi juice, soda water, and sugar syrup.
Can I taste? And I am having beer. I will have beer. I do not like ice, so I'll just use this one. And I will have Pale Pilsen. I think they give you a wrong one while ago.
Yeah, that was just regular. Alright, I got one.
Too dry otherwise, yeah?
Yeah. Or gravy.
Yeah, gravy or whatever, yeah.
Ito yung yung bacolod inasal, chicken inasal dito sa Dusin. Oh my God, super takaw. We finished all the food. Grabe. Ay, and I had two Shanghai.
Thank you so much.
It's Friday, Biyernes Santo. Buti na lang may araw na. Kahapon, grabe. Maulan. Morning! Yan. Punta na kami sa buffet breakfast. Yan. Yung aming favorite part of our holiday. Morning. Mary Grace.
Just follow something else. Enjoy your breakfast.
Thank you.
Alright.
takot na takot ako dito sa taas. Actually, nasa 4th floor lang kami, pero dito lang ako sa gilid. Medyo takot ako sa heights. Ayan, so this is the the view. Ang laki ng pool ng Dusit Thani dito sa Mactan. Tapos yun, may barko doon sa sa malapit. Na-stuck ata yun during the typhoon. Tapos, I'm not sure kung nakikita niyo yung mga bubong ngayon, super damage. Grabe. Super damage. Grabe talaga yung audit dito. Ayan. Ang dami ng kids mamaya mag-check out na kami dito 12 o'clock and then lilipat naman kami sa city. We are going to stay sa Bay Hotel. Last time nag-stay kami sa Mayo Hotel. Supposed to be sa Mayo ulit, kaya lang Maayo pala, not Mayo. Maayo Hotel sa Mandaue. Kaya lang, nabasa ko sa review yung gym pala nila, hindi pa, yung pool, hindi pa siya pwede. So, yun, nag-book ako ulit, but, yun, sa Bay Hotel nila. Anyway, hindi pa kami nakapunta doon. Kaya, okay lang. Okay. See you later, guys. Thank you for watching. Hope you had a nice weekend. Hello guys, it's check-out time. It's almost 12 na. Check-out na kami dito sa Dusit Thani, Mactan, Cebu. And then lilipat kami sa city. Overnight din sa Bay Hotel. See you later. Thank you for watching. Yan. Yan yung view namin dito.
Seeing eyes of mine, what do you feel beside?